This is the big press tech. See, this is our distribution board. How close are you? See it. This is our distribution board. All over here we have our AC, the water heater, the TV sockets, and the lighting lights. They are all here. All here. We have our antenna there, over there. It's our antenna. So that's the provision for the antenna where the Go TV or DSTV is going to be positioned, connected. Right from here, it has its outputs all over. While this other place, move closer to this side. Closer to this place. This place we have load. This is our load. It's supposed to be an adaptable box here. This is our load. But every other thing now is intact. The lighting points, the sockets, the surrounding lights, everything is intact now.